the Dream Play and the toad. Every single day, I'm on vacation. Every single day, I don't go to beach. Look, there's a leg.
Kind of leg. Hey. Dream Play is located at the second floor of City of Dreams near Casino and Starbucks. Dream Play is open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Since we're too early, 9:30 pa lang ng umaga, nandiyan na kami, mag-Starbucks muna kami.
Ang aga mo kasi. Dito muna tayo maglaro. Hi!
They have two options for entrance fee. One is for a non-participating, which is amounting to 350, and one is for participating, which costs 1,500. Visit their page for more information.
Doon na muna tayo sa dulo, kasi sabi, magpapa-reserve tayo ng class. Tingin-tingin ka muna. Hindi siya pwede dyan. Akin na muna yung
Stairway to heaven.
Stairway to heaven. Punta muna doon tayo sa class na morning. How about you? How to fly a dragon? Oh, good luck. Guys.
You will need to reserve your time slot for the baking class and kindly see separate blog for the baking experience. Tara, tour muna tayo!
Going to crash.
This one right here.
Oh.
Wait, I got it.
Come here. You drive here. You drive. Ayaw niya mag-slide. Ayaw mo mag-slide na? Mag-slide ka na. Aanihin kita sa baba. Saluhin kita sa baba. Ha? Move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it. Pakita mo sa camera. Is that?
Yeah.
Paano siya?
How do we do it?
Ano yan?
Huh? Like that? Okay, let's go.
Nalagay ko pa dito kasi birthday ko. That's also love.
Mami, bilisan na.
Laki tayo nagmamadali dito.
Panak na tayo. Ate mo, kaya?
Oh, di ba? Blow mo lang. Huwag ka ganyan. I'll push it. Then you blow it over there, ha? Huwag mo ka, just blow it. Kasi malulog-log yung tubig. Ay, yung ano. Oh, then blow it. Blow it. First time. Ayun na ako. Blow. Blow it. Balik na po.
I think it's called blow it. Blow it. Oh, no.
Abot mine. You don't blow mine. Blow mo din yan sa akin. Blow mo din.
Where are we intending? Taking into consideration the modern display of qualified weight distribution of point surface, it appears possible to construct these features.
Pag mga paano yung paper, babasa yan. You blow mine too. Why don't you want to blow mine?
One eternity later.
Ala, nabasa yung ano mo, ang cord. Huwag kasi bababa. Ano ito na? Dahil yan, Clarky na may. Dahil yan na may.
Puwantosawa si Kuya Clark Chan while waiting sa baking class. Kindly see you next vlog for the baking experience.
No, don't hold the rope na siguro. Ano, ganda lang. You can do it. Don't hold the rope na. Kuya, hawakan mo yung ano, wag yung rope. After 10 years ka dyan, sige. Umawak ka both hands doon. Yan. The other one too. Sige, you can... Oh. You can do it. Tapang mo pa, kala ko doon ka pupunta eh. You can do it. Now or never. Go, you can do it.
2 hours later.
You can sit. Wala, di niya talaga tayo. Bumaba na. Wala panis. Wala panis. Doon ka na lang. Yan. Step on the nearest stone. Step on the nearest stone. Sige. Naku, ipapa-sports ka talaga ni Daddy pag di mo ginagawa yan. Sige. Sige. Step on it. Step your foot on the nearest stone. Kaya mo yan. Ay, hindi na tayo pupunta sa mga ganito. You're wasting money, kuya. Try harder. There you go. Way to go, kuya. Sige. Huwag mo kasi tanggalin yung paa mo. Mataas ka na eh. Tinanggal mo yung paa mo dun. Hindi. Yan. Oh, you go step to the... Ay, hehehe. Tatawanan ka ni Daddy mamaya pag tinan ko yung video mo. Oo, tapos ka na. Wala kang na-achieve. Kuya, doon ka na. What's inside? Having a dream play.
I'm just gonna watch one movie.
I guess.
Happy birthday! Okay, can I count to 3? 3, 2, 1, sing.
Happy birthday to you.
There you go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. One more time, with more energy.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. And there you have it. So happy birthday to those who celebrate their birthdays today. I have a question for you guys.
Lunchtime!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sonic Rumble!
Sonic Rumble. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Like it? Sarap yan. Musin mo yan Kukuha na ng food si mami, okay?
Gonna eat you, okay?
Okay. Okay. Eat ka na. I'll just get food. Thank you. Free ka ba?
Oh no!
No, you can naman, you can stop.